Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. And then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Network and token phrases after a call exploit research question. The Akala has so over a billion UCD stabilities minted from the earth, but now community members are starting their heads wondering how a densely protocol would handle the cleanup. The Akala was UCD stabilization debuted by over 99% over the weekend and forced the Akala team to pause HackerWars wallet, raising concerns about its claim of being designed since on August 14, a hacker to advantage of a bug, and the EBCT or AUCD equity pool which resline 1.2 billion UCD by minted without collateral. This event crashed the UCD peg stabilization to ascend, and in response, the Akala time froze the initially maintained tokens by pressing the no-key maintenance mode. The move also halted other restorations as waves examining cross-chain communication on Polkadot, and the Oracle parents plans fins anti-future notice. We are the move to put the new work in maintenance, where the French funds in the hacker's wallet may have been meant to protect users and the network from any future harm protestants of the centralization have grateful. Akala is crunch against discounted finance. That's that UCD stabilization based on the Polkadot or DOT. Blockchain UCD is a crypto-based stabilization which Akala claims. Its consortium stands EBTC EBTC from a powered Bitcoin or BTC, which can be used in DeFi protocols. Community members have noted the irony of Akala's claim about a UCD concept extensions the protocol responds so softly. Twitter used a grant hot point on August 14 that the session would have to go governments to be designed to finance. If Akala centrally contrasts that session, is this the Lily Davy, a member of the project Discord channel used to make process rolling back to the chain to the despite the token is altogether. But was challenged by a scholar thought another member who said such action would be a harmful precedent. As of, as of the time of writing, the new work was still in maintenance mode, to block out token transfers, but the time confirmed that the bug of being fixed. The wallets that revised erroneously made a UCD have been identified, and 99% of them were still on Alaka, which leaves the possibility that they may be retrieved by the community if it forced to do so. Reliance Finance recovered the majority of moonstones from core finance. The Akala fraud is the second major one in a week survey finance share if expense and attacks on its farm on August with the transit used to prop communication contract. Akala's problems differs from covers that letters polls were not comprised users who directly interact with the smart contract expression to use. As to the last discussion to last page in the Wismont staring portfolios with 30 UCD, in my wish hindsight be reminded to be classic UCD or UCTC or the notable device included a day. Okay, just that from me, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.